Now that our trigger is ready, let's move on to the next step, adding actions. At the top left of your Flow canvas, click App, then search for Zoho Sheet. Click the expand arrow to view all available actions. From the list, choose Add Row and drag it into your Flow. If you're using Zoho Sheet for the first time, you'll need to create a new connection. Otherwise, select your existing connection. Next, we'll send the information captured by our trigger, such as ID, first name, last name, and email, to Zoho Sheet. On the right panel under Insert Variable, search for the fields you want and simply click to map them one by one into the spreadsheet. Once everything is mapped, click Done. Now, every time a new candidate is added in Zoho Recruit, a new row will be added automatically in your sheet. Let's add another action, notifying the manager on Zoho Click. Search for Zoho Click, choose Send Message in Channel, and drag it into your Flow. Select the channel, type your message content, and click Done. Finally, we'll organize documents by creating a folder in Zoho WorkDrive. Search for Zoho WorkDrive, choose Create Folder, drag it into the Flow, fill in the folder name and required details, and click Done. Once all steps are configured, go to the top right corner and switch your Flow on. Don't forget to test it once to ensure everything works perfectly. And that's how you build a complete automation in Zoho Flow, connecting Recruit, Sheet, Click, and WorkDrive in one seamless process. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.